We all start Ramadan with high energy, but by day 10, the excitement fades, the fatigue sets in, and we slip back into old habits. The problem isn't your intention, the problem is your system. This year, let's change that. This is the digital Ramadan Planner, a complete month long self purification plan adapted from the renowned As-Sunnah Foundation methodology. Stop wasting time searching for what to read or memorize. Every single day is pre planned for you. Open the dashboard and you get your daily ayah, hadith, and a specific dua with its meaning ready to apply immediately. It goes beyond just fasting. This planner challenges you with a daily good deed like feeding a poor person or fixing a broken relationship. Plus, by memorizing just 3 names of Allah a day, you can complete all 99 names by Eid inshallah. Track your salah, including duha and tahiyatul uju. Log your Quran recitation. And most importantly, journal your daily wins. Seeing that progress bar fill up gives you the dopamine hit you need to stay consistent. This template is 100% free. It is a sadaqah jariyah. Click the link below, duplicate it, and structure your best Ramadan yet. Don't just count the days, make the days count. Jazakumullah khairan.